At times we eat only to survive, but forgetting that healthy eating is the only key for survival. Good food not only fills your heart, also it fills your soul. Here is a healthy meal: urunda korambu along with some kootu papad, curds and salads, along with the rice and some ice cream. Let's see how to make this wonderful, delicious urunda korambu. Very rich in protein. Soak chana dal for 4 hours. After that, wash them well and then grind it along with some curry leaves, red chili, some soft hing and salt. All that you need to grind it to a vada type consistency without any water, and then make a small balls like this and then steam it and keep it aside to cool down. Meanwhile, take a kadai, add some sesame oil, mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Once it is spluttered, then add in garlic cloves 10 to 15 and some curry leaves again, some green chilies, finely chopped onions, all that fry. Adding a salt will speed up the cooking process. Add in tomato. Kindly adjust the tomato depending on the tamarind pulp that you're going to use in this recipe. Spice powders like turmeric, chili powder and coriander powder goes in. The measurement I'll be giving it in the description. Do check. All these mix it along, cook well till the raw smell goes down, and then add in your tamarind paste or pulp or tamarind water, then followed by these protein balls which you have already steamed. uh, One or two balls you need to crush them. This will thicken up the gravy. Add in lavish sprinkle of astafodia, that is hing, and check for your salt. Let this cook for good 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. A delicious urunda korambu is done. You need to finish it off with some coriander leaves and curry leaves. Maybe a spoonful of sesame oil on top. This will enhance the flavor of this dish. This is an excellent high protein dish for a vegetarian. It goes very well with rice, along with some kuttu recipe, which is mildly a sweet dish with a coconut based, which will balance the tanginess of this gravy. Papad and some salad followed by rice will makes it a healthy, wholesome, delicious vegetarian meal. Hope you try this and do let us know how it turned out for you. If you like our recipes, do subscribe and do support us. If you like it, leave a like and do share. Thank you so much for tuning.